Today we're shooting with the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro and the DJI Mic 2 in Super Night 4K resolution. I haven't picked up my Insta360 X5 in a long time, and when I did, and I needed the shot for a good minute or two, it only filmed for 30 seconds. Everybody out there is putting in their dates when they're thinking the DJI Osmo Action 6 Pro coming out. When a new camera comes out, a camera, it's in May or November, or early as February, or earliest as September. Need an Uber? We're passing by. We'll go on the other side of the pier, the boat of the Admiral Francis. We'll check it on out, see what's over here. I guess we still leave the life raft behind. We're at the end of the pier. Can't go no more. Sure we can. Beautiful sunrise happening. I won't be around for it. I'll be heading on back. I don't know where we get this information that a camera was to be released, and then all of a sudden the dates start to change to different times. Well, we have something that's coming out, that came out, and then we're having something that's coming out, came out because of competition. One is trying to outdo the other, and one is trying to get it in before the other. And then we come into problems that this product may not work as expected or needs now to have updates and vice versa. With DJI, May is the normal date they would release something. And it used to be like Insta360, every 2 years we'll get a camera to come out. If that's the case in how we do things and keep to that old system format, then we'll have a camera that will have no issues. And hand it to the right people that would do its job than just tell a story that DJI wants a video to be shown. And same thing goes with Insta. Well, we could pass by a camera this year, wait for the Action 7 Pro for argument's sake, but the 6 will probably keep getting its updates, and then the same thing happens to the 7. The 6 may not have what you want, nor will the 7. And the same thing with the Ace Pro 3. GoPro, they fell off the face of the earth. They're just taking old stuff and making it new and putting things into it because maybe they have reached their limit and they can't go no further or know how to go further. The Qualcomm chip, the Qualcomm communication chip, seems to be the chip that these cameras use and also use in security cameras. We get a security camera and it does quite well. It's stationary and you get an excellent video in color. And that's what we have on DJI. Well, I'm out of here. You all can stay back there. Cameras are cameras. We get better microphones with less things in it. Maybe something by DJI would be less. They find a way to cut corners, cut things out. It's already happening in many other things. Well, I am Fish. I shared a small story, talked a small story, said a small story. I gotta go meet up with Joe. I may have to do a little bit of a correction. And I gotta take care of Bizwax, man. And that's the way things are. Have a great day. Thank you for stopping by.